Hello, my name is Patricio, and today I'm going to talk about one of the most amazing AWS services, Lambda. First of all, we need to know what is Lambda. In a basic concept, Lambda is a serverless computer services that allow you to run your code without the need to provision or manage servers. We're going to talk about some features, benefits, languages in the next slides. Key features. Lambda have a lot of features, a lot of things to do, but these are two of the most important ones, in my opinion. Code execution without the need to worry about the managed servers. This is very, very useful, very amazing for all the developers out there because they can focus 100% in the code, that the application works and looks good, and that's it. They don't need to worry about infrastructure, scaling, or managed servers. The other thing is automatically and transparent scalability. We're going to talk about this a lot because it's a very good feature. Lambda automatically scale in response to the incoming request, no matter if you are a startup and have 100 of users or you are a big company and have millions of users. Some other benefits about Lambda is the pricing. The pricing is based on what you use. It's a pay-as-you-go model. And like you said before, the server is auto-scalable, and no matter if you are a startup or big business, you pay for what you use. Also, Lambda have a very good integration with our AWS services, so you can make complex architectures without the need to worry about what if something is going wrong, because Lambda supports all of the AWS services. Some of the support languages and platforms, like we said before, all the services of AWS and languages, Lambda can support a lot of them, but these are only two of them. Lambda can support Python, Java, Node, can support a lot of things that you don't need to worry about. And this is also very, very important, the deployment and monitoring process. Lambda have a very user-friendly interface, so the people that use Lambda don't have to know a lot of servers, a lot of these things, because the interface is very easy to use, easy to configure and deploy your features. And also, you can performance and health monitor for futures through log and metrics. You can see how the server is going, how the serving is performance with logs and metrics, and that is very, very useful and very, very good to have. Some of the use cases of Lambda, these are a few of them, and I have a lot of use cases. But Lambda allows you to deploy and build functions, individual functions that work together, so you can create microservers architectures. And the other thing is very, very good because have real-time data stream processing. When this is very good for the users because they're gonna have a very good experience with your app, because all the things that they do in that moment automatically responds in the application. Also, like we said before, the applications, mobile and web, are scalable. So you don't need to worry if someday you have a lot of users in your app, because everything is gonna work really fine. So because everything is automatically, and the user is gonna have an amazing experience with your app because it's never gonna crash, and you don't need to worry about fail. And business impact. Lambda have a very, very important business impact because, like we said before, you have a healthy speed in your applications because always scalable, and you can reduce a lot of your infrastructure cost and service management. You don't need to worry about high prices because you only pay for what you use. And that's it. Thank you for your attention. My name is Patricio.